Here is my Toyota Camry 2003 model, 2.4 liter straight 4. I have been into a control and it needs new brake disc in the front. First I have to use my jack, of course, to get the car up. Then I have to put it on some stands to make this safe to work with. Before you jack up the car, I have to loosen the bolts. So it'll be easier if I take it up. Here is a very simple rule. Use what you call jack stands or kind of stands under the car when you start working on it. Because you can't trust only this jack in the front. If that is going, then the car can fall down and in worst case kill you. So don't take any chances. Use the stands. Then we start to take off the first wheel. And I like to use the electric to take it off quite faster. And this wheels is 19 millimeters. Now taking off both the wheels, and before starting to do anything more, and just pushing on some rust remover stuff. Now I can say that if everything is going as it hopefully are going, this should be quite easy. Should be. 14 was too big. Okay, 13. And down here is maybe 17. Yeah. 17 back here and one there. Now I'm trying the fast. That could be a fast way, or it could be completely going wrong. I'm trying to take off the whole bracket in one go with the brake. Just thinking not to do it. One time I have to be the first. Because it is going and 2 screws less to take up. Now I did it the simple way. Only 2 screws that's holding the bracket, and the whole system is off. Now I'm going to just try the new brake disc and see. Maybe I need to make more space here, but that shouldn't be a problem. But these discs are not worn much. It's only that they're rusty. Then try to make that one don't fall down roughly. This brakes was coming out without any problems. If someone has seen the video with the Kia said, remember that that one was completely stuck. Here, looks like it should go down without any problem either. What's kind of special is that the Toyota don't have any screws or nothing to hold it. A little too small to see if my tool is fitting in there now. I have a tool to push out the brake pads. This is just a test, so maybe it's not going. But I'm trying. There. I can get this one to move out a little. I don't need much space. Maybe that is enough. Hopefully. Yeah, no problems. Screws to connect again. This is the easiest change of brake disc I ever done. And I start to do some. Would have been even easier if I found back a number 17 cup for the system. But that one is on a smart place. So then I have to do it this way. So then the only tool I needed here is number 17 and some tools. The whole bracket in one piece. No hassle, no problems. Have to use the tool to push in the brake pad a little. That was the only thing. Actually, it's on. It's kind of crazy. Only the two screws. No problems. Left side, then I'm just trying my luck on the right side too. Maybe it'd be better to take it the right way. Often it's the best thing to do, to start the right way. Well, of course, this would have been much easier if I had from my 17 cup. This screw is actually very loose. It's almost like I can screw it by hand already. quite unnormal to this one stick much at all. This one is sticking more. That's okay. I can't be that lucky. Now I'm trying the other test here. I found a screw that seems to fit in this hole here. Push it in as long as I can with that. Now hope I take the right one. There. Now this is supposed to hit the construction in between. If the screw are good enough, it's not supposed to be anything in there. So it's supposed to start there, pushing it free on that side. This has also one more screw on the other side. So instead of having problem with the other, I just take it on this side too. See here, it's starting to slip. This is there. Now it's loose. Just I have to find the right screw fitted those. There. Old one is up. New one standing naked. And it was not so dirty behind me that I feel any need for going in and pushing anything. Let's see. Ah, everything works on the other side. See if I can find that. To make the screw start entering. Yeah, it seems like it was entering. Then it's under the this screw was going in very easy. I was supposed to say that it was just the work of getting them to enter again. This has been easy peasy. All the jobs on cars are much easier if you have some tools to help you. Wheels are back. New disc brake. You can take away the safety. You don't need that one now. Then I just can take up some of my things and lower the car again. That was very easy. Okay. It's nice that something is easy so. Now the car is back down on the ground. Then I have to remember to fasten the bolts and use the long because I can't trust the other machine. There, that side is finished, and then I just do the same on the other side.